Hi guys, so we are back again today to show you a live demo surgery of blepharoplasty, also known as eye lift. So this is my team and Dr. Adarsh is performing the surgery. Dr. Adarsh, can you just say a small hi?
Hello guys.
Okay, hi. So what is blepharoplasty or eye lift? So basically, for people who have bagginess or excess skin or fat under or above their eyelids, they can go for this procedure known as blepharoplasty. It can be done in both lower and upper eyelid, lower blepharoplasty and upper blepharoplasty. Also for people who've lost a lot of weight due to which the skin has become extremely loose. There is no particular age gap or a age for this treatment that for example if you're 40 you're too young, or if you're 70 you're too old. Nothing like that. It just depends from case to case. So your doctor or your plastic surgeon will be the one to recommend you this surgery, whether you are a good candidate for it or not. So as you can see guys, this is like a lunchtime procedure. It just takes around 1.5 to 2 hours in total, and it's the whole procedure is done under local anesthesia. There is absolutely no pain. The patient is lying down comfortably, she's awake, and the process is going on right now. Post surgery also there is no pain, just slight amount of bruising. There are some sutures, the plastic surgery sutures that we give, which we generally cut anywhere between 7 to 9 or maybe 10 days depending from case to case, and then this keeps on healing on its own. So immediately, obviously, yes, you are able to see the results, but in any plastic surgery procedure, to see 100% results, you need to give it like 3 to 6 months time, if you want to see the 100% result, as the primary healing takes place fast, but underneath the skin the healing process is going on. So I got a lot of questions when we were live last time. Okay, so here I'm getting a few questions now also. So what is the average cost for a upper eyelid blepharoplasty? So see, whether it's a upper or a lower eyelid blepharoplasty, the cost depends on various factors. We are doing a YouTube video on it soon, but just to tell you a few things, first of all, obviously on your surgeon, you need to see their before after results, how good they are, is there any scar marks that they are leaving behind or not, and what are their results and the patient satisfaction level. So there is a huge discrimination in the price, starting from 40,000 going up till 1 lakh rupees for both the eyes, depending from where you're getting the procedure. If you're getting it at a hospital, then obviously it's going to be much more expensive, but it's generally a daycare procedure. Like here also in our clinic, it's just a 2-hour procedure, and then you can just get this done and go back home. So sorry. So if you want to know the cost at our center, you can DM us your photographs and we will be happy to share the costing with you. So guys, very quickly, because I have to speak in Hindi also, there were 2-3 questions which were asked. Price was one of them, which already one patient has just asked me on the live right now. The other one was what is the downtime? So as such, there is no specific downtime. Yes, there is certain amount of bruising which lasts for about a week or 10 days depending from patient to patient. So very quickly in Hindi now, for all of our people out there who are present in this live. So basically अभी हम एक कॉस्मेटिक प्रक्रिया कर रहे हैं आँखों की सुंदरता को बढ़ाने के लिए. जो भी हमारे आँखों के नीचे एक्सेस मास स्किन यानी कि और फैट होता है, उसको हटाने के लिए इसको ब्लेफेरोप्लास्टी बोला जाता है. ये लोकल एनेस्थीसिया के अंडर होती है. 2 घंटे का प्रोसीजर होता है. आँख के ऊपर या आँख के नीचे से एक्सेस स्किन या फैट निकालने के लिए प्रक्रिया की जाती है. एंड बहुत ही कंफर्टेबल प्रोसीजर है. जैसे आप देख सकते हैं, पेशेंट अवेक हैं, जागी हुई हैं, लोकल एनेस्थीसिया इंजेक्टेड है. और टाँके दे दिए जाएंगे इनको अभी, और जो टाँके 7 से 9 दिन के अंदर हम काट देते हैं। ट्रीटमेंट के दौरान और ट्रीटमेंट के बाद कोई दर्द नहीं होती है, एंटीबायोटिक्स दी जाती हैं आपको, और थोड़ी बहुत नीलापन, ब्रूजिंग हो सकती है, जो कि अगेन 7 से 8 दिन में ठीक हो जाती है। और कोई एज स्पेसिफिक ट्रीटमेंट नहीं है ये। अगर आप, चाहे आप 30 साल के हैं, चाहे आप 70 साल के हैं, आप राइट कैंडिडेट हैं कि नहीं, ये आपको आपके डॉक्टर बताएंगे। सो आई थिंक that's been quite an informative session, and that would be all for now. Ma'am, are you having any pain?
No, not right now.
No pain at all?
Never.
Okay, so you can see the patient is very comfortable, and I don't want to disturb Dr. Adarsh and the rest of the team, guys. So I think that's all for now, and we will upload a YouTube video. If whatever questions you guys have, just DM us, and don't forget to subscribe to Dr. Adarsh YouTube channel, like and share our videos. So bye bye guys. Dr. Adarsh say bye.
Bye guys.
Team say bye. So yeah, so bye bye guys. All right, okay, bye bye.